Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to see the Nifty and Bank Nifty outlook for coming week, and let's get started. Here I'm in Bank Nifty weekly chart, and we can see this is the last week candle, budget week candle. We saw a good rally, but the rally was not very strong. We can see the peak on the higher side. We went till 39,400 range, and then we closed around 38,800 range. So it's not a very strong closing in Bank Nifty, and we have closed near the previous week's high. So exactly we are closing here. So not a very strong closing. So we need to see how the price action forms in the coming week. So for next week, we can see the levels. So next week we can look at these levels. So on the higher side, around 40,000, and on the lower side around 37,500, 37 range. So for coming week, I have given the levels. So we might see on the higher side, if we break this particular trend line, if we go above this, then we might see up to 40,000, 39,900, 40,000 range. And if we go below, we might see 37,500 range. We are in around 38,700 level. So if we go higher, then 40,000, which is again another 1,000 points. And if we go below, again it's around 1,000 points. So 1,000 points on the higher side or on the lower side, we have a probability. Let's go to daily chart. So in daily chart, we can see we are in the support level. So we are almost closed near the support. And if in case we go above this level, 39, the recent high, 39,400, then we can see upside rally up to, as discussed, like 40,000 range, right? And if we go below this, which is a strong support area, we tested multiple times, and we are at this zone. So if we go below, then we might see 37,500. So the same thing, like whatever we saw in weekly analysis, it provides more clarity on the daily time frame as well. Now let's look at 15 minutes time frame for even more clear direction. In Bank Nifty 15 minutes time frame, we can see we are in a range, we are in a channel movement, and we can expect maybe up to 40,000, or we can see like breakdown and go lower level, right? So we can see either of these things might happen in the upcoming sessions. We have both of these possibilities. The downside, so we have one more support here, yeah, around 37 700, which was our swing low, the budget day low. So we might get some good support around 37 700 plus range. I hope the view is very clear. To summarize, if we go above this level, we might see 39,700 to 40,000 range. And if we break this channel and we go down, we might see 37,700 range. So in both cases, we have 1,000 points movement we might see in the coming sessions. And let's look at Nifty. So in Nifty weekly time frame, we can see it's again not a good closing. The Nifty is also not looking very strong. The previous candles high also we didn't cross. It closed below that level. And for coming week, the levels could be between 17,000 or 16,900 to 17,900. This is the range I'm expecting Nifty could be. Again, this is we are around 17,500. So 500 points on the higher side and on the lower side. That could be the range I'm expecting Nifty could trade in the coming sessions. And let's look at the daily chart. So this is Nifty daily chart, and same level. So we can see good support at 16,900 to 17,000 range, and on the higher side, the psychological level of 18,000. So this could be the range for coming week. Let's look at the lower time frame, 15 minutes. In 15 minutes, we can see we have a very good support at this level, um, around 17,300, and this swing high will act as a good resistance, 17,800. So Nifty might trade between this range, and in case if we close above this resistance line, then we can see a good movement on Nifty. We might reach around 18,100, 18,000 to 18,100 we can expect. Okay, so for tomorrow, what we can plan? So if in case we open a gap up, and then we might see some profit booking, and we might see retesting the previous low, and then from here, if we take support, then we might see some more upside. And if we open flat and then we go below this swing low, then we might see we don't have any major support, so we might see this level. And if we open a gap down, then we need to see the price action, whether we are retesting this resistance and then we are going back down. We need to see how the price action from, or we might directly after opening gap down, we might see that 17,300 levels, and we might take support in this zone. Okay, to summarize, we are in a broad range, consolidation range. So we might see Nifty trading between 17,800, 900 to 18,000 range, and then on the downside 17,300 to 17,100. So this might be the range for coming week. That's what I'm expecting, and I'm going to take the trade accordingly. And please subscribe to our channel if you have not done yet. And we have a Telegram group as well. During market hours, we provide our updates. So please join the Telegram group as well. The link is given in the description. And thank you for watching.